I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm doing my mother-in-law's nails and she wanted something cute, short and sweet. So that's what we're doing. I'm coming in with the pre-pinched square nail tips from Glitter Planet and they are absolutely bomb. Everybody raves and loves them. These are the newer version. We have discontinued the old version for now. We may bring it back, but this is the new version. We are suiting and want to supply nail tips for everybody. On the previous ones, we had some people like, my nail beds are so wide and some of these tips do not fit. So, you know, we had to do something about that and we made them wider. So you guys can apply them to wider nail beds, but also can tailor them if you need to fit smaller nail beds. But obviously there is smaller sizes in there to fit smaller nail beds already. So hopefully we have everybody covered and these tips can be just as bomb for every single person, no matter what size nail beds you have. So if you want to try them out, I'll link them down below for you guys. Also, these scissors are equally as bomb because have you seen the coverage of that rainbow coating? Like seriously? Have you seen it? Anyway, I'll link those down below for you guys as well, and yeah, definitely try them out. I absolutely love them for tailoring nail forms, nail tips, cutting striping tape and so many more other things. So once all the nail tips are applied, it's time to come in with the tip cutters and go ahead and obviously remove some of that length because my mother-in-law wanted some super short, cute nails. So that's what we're doing, removing the length, and then I'm going to come in with the 180 grit nail files from Glitter Planet and go ahead and round those nails off. We wanted a nice, cute almond shape, really just like, what's the word? Practical. We're going for a practical set of nails here, so yeah. So I'm going to be using this glitter. It's called Under the Sea from Glitter Planet. Honestly, it's absolutely gorgeous. The shift of colours is unreal. It was super hard to catch on camera, but if you guys ever purchase this glitter, you will know what I mean. Like honestly, it's beautiful. So I'm using the number 12 aqua brush, and we do have these available. They are just the Galaxy aqua brush, so I'll have it linked for you guys if you want to go and check them out. They are absolutely stunning. And I'm coming in with this nail bed cover. It's from the brand Nailmate, which is my baby, which is currently in the process of being born. I cannot wait to completely introduce the whole system to you guys. But yeah, at the minute it's just going to be little bits and bats. I'm hoping to launch the full system in 2018, which is obviously this year, and I'm working super hard behind the scenes to make sure everything is absolutely perfect, because this literally means everything to me, so I can't have it any less than perfect, if I'm being completely honest with you, which is why it's taken so long. And I know some of you guys are like so eager to get a hold of it and so excited, but it's not just as easy as popping out an acrylic system. And I know there's brands out there that like, yeah, we're bringing out a system and boom, here it is, and it's like, yes, okay. But for us, it's a lot of work. Like, I'm not just gonna pop out another acrylic system that's the same as everybody else's acrylic system. I want something bomb, I want something lit, and I want something that you guys are gonna absolutely adore and fall in love with. But most of all, I've got to love it as well. Like, I can't sell something and promote something and really believe in something that isn't right. So that's why it's taken a long time, because obviously it's got to be bomb, and that is it. That is it. You guys are going to be blown away, just letting you know. However, I do have some good news. Well, that was good news, but it's just taken a long time. But I do have some good news. I finally approved the clear. It is being used in this video, and you guys will see at the end how stunningly clear it is. I'm going to do some like super close-ups of the final result so you guys can really see the clarity and the clear and the glass-like finish of our clear, because it's bomb. You guys are going to be amazed. My throat is still sore. It's killing me. If you watched the last video, you know that I'm sick, and I'm still here doing these videos for you guys. Damn. Okay, so I finished the entire design and I'm going in with the Nail Mate Clear Acrylic and I'm encapsulating everything. Once I've done that, it's time to go ahead, file, shape, and not buff. You do not want to buff, because that is tragic. If you buff the nail once you've done your acrylic design, and you apply a top coat to that, you will struggle. You may get chipping, peeling, flaking. Your top coat might not stay. I mean, I've never had good experiences when I've buffed the nail smooth, because that top coat needs something to adhere to. And if you've got a good clear acrylic, you should be able to apply your top coat over the top of a mildly rough surface and it will completely vanish those scratches, those file marks. So yeah, that's important just for you guys to know that. So yeah, I'm coming in with my EFILE. I'm debulking where I need to debulk. I'm making sure to really tidy up that cuticle area, make sure everything's blended and sealed to reduce any lifting, because if you've got a nice huge hump at the cuticle area or a step up and you can really feel where it meets the natural nail, you can guarantee that you're probably going to get some kind of lifting. So it's really important to sort of seal that area down, make sure it's nice and flush and beautiful. So yeah, these bits really help doing that, especially this bit. It's become one of my absolute favourites. So I'm just coming in and applying top coat to all of the nails. I'm going to cure in the light for 60 seconds. Add some cuticle oil, make sure to massage that into my client's hands and nails, and then I'll show you guys the final result. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. I know it was super simple and super like probably uninformative, but hopefully you guys still enjoy just watching me applying the nails, applying the glitter, and rambling on about random stuff, because I still enjoy doing it for you guys. So yeah, even though it wasn't anything like, oh my god, you've invented something, it's still bomb, isn't it? Like, seriously. So yeah, this is the final result. As I said, I'm going to get the next shot is the close-up of the clear, and I'm going to zoom it right in for you guys because you need to see this. Like, you need to see this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, comment down below what you think, and if you are ready for Nailmate to drop, because you guys should seriously be ready by now. Always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye! See you later, alligator!
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.